And here's how to get back iPhone original wallpaper. Go to your iPhone settings app, and in settings app scroll down and tap on wallpaper, and here scroll to the left side, and here you will find all of your wallpapers. So in my case here we can't see my original or default iPhone wallpaper. In this case we have to create a new wallpaper. So tap on add new wallpaper, or you can tap on this plus icon to create a new wallpaper. Once you are in this add new wallpaper section, here you have to scroll down and go to featured section. Under featured, here scroll, and here you will find your default or original wallpaper. All you have to need, select your original wallpaper, tap on add, and I'm selecting add as wallpaper pair, and that's it. You have successfully get back your original iPhone wallpaper. Thanks for watching.